reconnecting our bodies by reconnecting with our emotions.
In relationships, we have to identify what is going to be our main role, and it doesn't have to be gender specific, but it just has to be, this is my role.
Sorbet,
Oh Lord.
xanthan gum,
Everything you
and all
can't
that.
pronounce.
Sucralose. That's
You go do your one kind, I break for one time, I'm not to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up. That's what they
Visiting traumatic experiences can be one helpful way to help you on your journey. Okay, and there's a lot of ways you can go about having that experience when it comes to revisiting certain traumatic moments. You can do it through therapy. You can do it with the people that were involved. You can write it out in a journal. There's a lot of different ways to go about doing it. And I always tell people to do it as many ways as possible. Because as I was telling you guys in the beginning, what you're gonna notice is that your version is gonna be slightly different from what the actual reality is. Because we tell ourselves certain things to ensure that we're protected, all right?
We on vacation and getting a whole bunch of knowledge while we here. Here's our bus, guys. Y'all, it's just super early to be up. Oh my goodness. Well, you just want to be asleep. But knowledge is power, and they're giving it to us, and we're learning it. And I'm gonna soak it all in because I'm always a student. So, yes, it's early, but your girl is out here. It's a powerful, great weekend, and I love it. And just to meet so many people that's getting the same information that you get is amazing, because that means the word is getting out. So here we go.
And when you get to the front of the bus, just wait for me and I'll take everybody in the space, okay? Sound good?
Before we do that, I need the energy to be right. Remember I told you, you gotta set the environment. Well, let's set the internal environment first, okay? So whether you're a tribe member or not, today you're a tribe member. I'll tell you one of the things we do together as tribe family, we say it's a tribe vibe. So we're gonna get that on 3. Can we do that on 3? All right.
Everybody up again.
1, 2, 3. It's a tribe vibe. The difference between what you typically think a farm is, and this is a tropical fruit farm, which means that most of the growth we have here are trees. It's not necessarily things rolled up in the ground, things of that nature, okay? So that's really important.
Went to the doctor, he's like, I see no signs of disease activity, so done with all that mess. And you can change, and it doesn't have to be what the doctor says it is. Do your own research.
Yes.
And Dr. Bobby's a huge part of that.
Make some noise, make some noise, make some noise.
Hello everyone, my name is Juana Perez. I've also been a member for about 3 years, maybe a little bit more, something like that. Yeah, it's been a while. I can't even count at this point. But for me, I joined because my blood pressure was going up, and I needed to find somebody. And IG put Dr. Price there, and I was like, who is this guy? And not only have I learned how much fun it is to eat delicious food, but I've also been able to help my family at least plant the seed and pour some water and hope that it grows. But it has been amazing to be part of this family. I come every year. I've been here since the first one, so, and I won't stop. I already told him, get used to this face.
I just joined Tribe like literally 30 minutes ago.
Perfect, yes.
Right. And I joined Tribe mainly because I did speak to some of the 5 people in Tribe that been here the longest. And thank you to the sisters I did speak to yesterday about Tribe. And when they was giving their testimony like they just did, it resonated with me, and I was like, this is definitely something I need to get on board with and have a team of support helping me on this journey.
Amazing.
Now, if you grow up in your life and you've also seen him be violent, you've also seen him do other reckless things, you're gonna pacify that when you do it. Because you're saying, this is my example of a man. So it's so important for us to know and understand, like, a lot of our, adult traumas are coming from our childhood. So that's how you do the shadow work. You go back to the childhood, and then you work your way forward. Any other questions? Go ahead. The number one reasons why women get illness is because of stress, okay? I'll give you an example. I was working with a woman with fibroids. And I asked her when they started. She told me as soon as she started to initiate her divorce, that was the first time she got fibroids. I said, okay. I said, what did you do after that? She said, well, they started to grow and grow, and my job was stressful, so I quit my job. I took a job in Dubai as a teacher, and when I moved to Dubai, they went away. I said, okay. How was your job in Dubai? She's like, it was stress-free. It's one of the best times of my life. I was like, then what happened? I moved back to the States and became a recruiter again. And the fibroids blew up again. I said, so what did that tell you? Stress plays a major, major role. Women who are doing amazing are taking those positions, but they're experiencing the stress that they never had to experience. Okay? So the thing that I'm saying is, are women capable of it? Women are smarter than men. I'm just keeping it real with you. But we're more durable. But this is also why men live less years than women, because we take that duration that we don't want you to take. Now, the reason why I'm saying that is because I don't think women understand how to cope with their stress, especially living in a man's world. And because so many women are putting themselves in position to take so much stress, it's doing a lot. Again, I think it's very important for women to become much more aware of the type of stress that they're taking on their body, because stress does create dis-ease in the body. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
And up, make some noise, put your hands together for Stephon Speaks.
Today, people don't say how they really feel because they're afraid they're gonna get canceled or whatever the case may be. So it's creating a society where people are constantly suppressing their true feelings. But to be successful in a relationship, we have to be open and honest with each other. We have to talk about things. And then if we can't talk, then that's your indicator that you're in the wrong relationship to begin with.
Yeah. And
She will find herself entertaining more feminine men because, again, the masculine man causes conflict with her. The feminine man will walk in line with what she wants, but she won't be happy with that in the long run.
Yeah.
So it'll work for now, but eventually it'll be a turn off. She'll lose respect. So it's an internal thing, but it's also external in the sense of where we need roles. So in any situation where you have 2 or more people, you will not have success unless people buy into their roles. Basketball is one of the greatest examples of that. If you have everyone trying to shoot the ball, the team is going to lose. You have to have a situation where this other person understands they're going to grab the rebound. This one's going to play the defense. This one's going to shoot the ball. Everyone might do a little bit of everything, but everyone has their main role. You cannot thrive without that. So in relationships, we have to identify what is going to be our main role. And it doesn't have to be gender specific, but it just has to be, this is my role. So for some relationships, the man might be the cook. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't have to always be the woman. He might love cooking. He might be the better cook. But it can't be both of y'all trying to cook because...
That's all right. This was 15.
We got some more quinoa today.
Bye.